How to identify mandatory fields in the DOM using Selenium. To identify mandatory fields in an HTML form, you should look for the required attribute in the HTML elements, which indicates whether the field is mandatory. In this example, we have 6 mandatory fields. Let us write the code. Open browser and launch the application. Find all div elements with the class form group required. It will return a list of web element objects that correspond to all the div elements that have both the form group and required classes. The for loop iterates over each web element in the required fields list. For each web element, it finds the corresponding input field inside the container. The getAttribute method is then used to retrieve and print the name and id attributes of the input field, identifying the mandatory fields. Thus, the code locates all the mandatory fields, marked with the form group required class, on a registration page and prints the name and id attributes of the corresponding input fields.